Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is in your place, YouTube. This is Alan from AMA Motorsports. That's Serinity. Say hi, Ron.
Hi. I have a pack of crabs in here.
Oh. So, we are on the road, leaving Serinity School as we speak, on the road to Lubec, Maine. It is going to be a fun time, a super great trip. See Serenity's grandparents, enjoy some fresh seafood, and decompress and unwind such a long year. You ready? Well, you guys stay tuned for that. And we've made it to Maine. This is a beautiful state. You see behind me, we're kind of at a rest stop at the moment. But yeah, I'm loving it. So gorgeous out here. It's really hard to explain. Canadian flag, American flag, snow back there on the ground. Gotta love it. So we're about 2 hours away from where we need to be, destination-wise. Just stop to stretch my legs and go to the bathroom super fast, and then yeah, we're gonna get back on the road and get back to it. So stay tuned for more content as we are on our Maine adventure. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So bye. Maine, very coastal town here in Maine. Absolutely gorgeous. I forget how beautiful this place is every time we come here. My God. Just beautiful. Alright, so Serenity's inside with her uncle. I'm going to grab some stuff out of my bag and probably go outside and sleep for a bit. Wake up and go adventuring around Lubec. Take you guys along for the adventure. You guys will have a blast. This place is a lot of fun. Here at the ocean. It's gorgeous here.
Look, there's berries.
There's berries?
Yum.
You don't eat those. My phone popped up and said, "Welcome to Canada." I was like, oh. So here we are, right on the Canadian border. It is beautiful here. We're going to probably get back out of here. It's super windy. here on the coastal side of Maine. It is absolutely beautiful. It's not super hot, it's not super cold right now. There's some snow this weekend, but we'll probably be back out here before it is gorgeous out here. You want it to snow?
I want to make it snowy.
How you loving the vacation so far, Doodle? Great?
2 thumbs up, but I can't do 2 thumbs up.
Because you're eating pancakes? Serenity's having a good time. This is really good stress relief for us. We've been working with drift events all year and building drift cars and track cars, working every day. Serenity's been in school doing amazing, succeeding in everything she's doing.
Never giving up.
Never giving up. That's right. Never giving up. That's the motto in the household. It's the motto that she has. We got some personal stuff happening, and things like that kind of set us back. But this is our daddy-daughter vacation to unwind and relax with some family and see her grandparents and just enjoy some good times in Maine and really, kind of relax and take it all in. And mental health is a big thing that I don't talk about a lot. I suffer from a lot of depression and a whole lot of other issues that I don't bring up just because I don't really know how to talk to anybody about it very well. Excuse the voice, I'm not feeling too great, but and I'm not very good in front of the camera either, to be honest with you. This is something new for me, but I don't really have anybody to talk to besides you guys and obviously my daughter, and that's what I got right now, and that's my outreach. So that being said, definitely take some time for yourself and really get out and live. I was literally only focused on work and building drift cars and just drifting and stuff like that. That's great, and I love it, and it's my passion and what I love to do. But get out and live life a little bit. Get out and spend some time, away from the normal stuff you see every day. And it doesn't have to be a 16-hour trip like we just took. It can be 5 minutes down the road and just do something that helps your mental. That's a very strong thing, especially in men's health. Us men, we don't talk about that a lot either, and that's a shame. We need to be open about that because we do suffer from a lot of things, and we don't know who to come to and talk to. We look weak when we want to speak about things, but it's not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of being human. So I don't want to get too philosophical with you guys or anything like that, but I just want to take that minute to say, hey, if you guys are tuned in here on this channel and watching this video, I do appreciate it. And I hope, if anything, this gets out to somebody and to know that we all go through things, right? And we all go through problems and troubles and issues in everyday life. And sometimes we don't know how to battle those things, but sometimes you just need to get away. And that's what I did. I took a time off Facebook and a lot of social media stuff and really just focused on myself and Serenity, and it's helping a lot. So I'm going to sign off from here. I appreciate you guys. It's pretty late at night, but I just want to wrap this video up and say thanks, guys, for following along with this this vlog for our Maine vacation trip that we're on right now at the moment. Yeah, we'll see what we get into tomorrow, but I appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, please. I'm trying to definitely grow this channel as much as possible, but yeah, keep following along for car content and just fun stuff in general. Thanks.